Is ChatGPT going to pick stocks better than a fund manager? Well, let's have a look and see what happens with a little experiment. Let's go to ChatGPT 4, which you can see over here. Let's feed it some data. Okay, so I've taken a ton of data in actual fact over here. Now it can't absorb the data across all these tables and 10,000 stocks, so we're going to have to do it in chunks. And the way we're going to do it is, and the great thing about this is it can read all of this rather well. We can crud across, we can actually go right across even more, but I'm just going to show you this for illustrative purposes. We're going to cut, we're going to copy, we're going to put that in, we're going to then put it in there, and then we're going to start asking it questions, okay? And those questions could be anything such as, imagine you are Warren Buffett, and well, the love child of Warren Buffett and Eugene Fama, the Nobel Prize-winning economist, and Daniel Kahneman. Analyze this data, and with your greatest powers of forecasting and analysis, and throw in there that you also work at Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley simultaneously, which stocks look like they're most likely to perform the best over the next 12 months. When we finish the experiment, I'll let you know how it gets along, because I've got to put that across quite a few pieces of data. So future videos coming, you better like and follow for more of that. Could get interesting.